feel like my colorfulness for my eye looks was in the closet and it came out like myself.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the third installment of these tutorials. So for today's tutorial and review and swatches, obviously you can see it's a very colorful look. So we are talking about the Electric palette from Huda Beauty and the Aftershock palette from Bad Habit Beauty. And if you haven't seen the first video, I will link it down below, as well as the other tutorials for the Warm Obsessions palette, the orangey ones. And where's the other one? Right here. And the Mauve Obsessions, which I already did a tutorial and swatches for both of these, and then obviously the first video. So this look I am so in love with. Like, looks like this, obviously not this well blended, back when I was 15 years old. That's what made me fall in love with makeup, and that's what made me get into makeup. All the fun, colorful looks. I used to do all kinds of crazy looks all the time. I would match whatever I was wearing to my makeup. I would there's this sweater I had, and it had like a bunch of hearts and it was like rainbow. So I would wear these big hoops, like thick hoops, and they had rainbow colors on it. A rainbow necklace, and then I would do like a rainbow eyeshadow look. And that's probably one of my favorite looks that I ever did. So this look definitely means a lot to me, and doing this look actually has inspired me to get back into doing colorful looks no matter what people's opinions are. These two palettes, I was going to do this for my first favorite, and I feel like it's like in tie with my first favorite. But the thing is that I don't think it's a palette for everyone. If you don't like color, obviously this is not going to be a palette for you, not the $10 one or the $27 one. For me personally, I am keeping both of these. Well, I'm keeping all of them, but some of the dupes, I am giving them away to like my aunt or my cousin because I don't need both of them. And these, I need both of them in my life. I don't care if they're the same. I don't care if they have the same exact pigmentation, the same blendability. They're smooth, they're buttery. They don't have as much fallout. I don't care if they're exactly the same. I'm keeping both of these because they're stunning. And yeah, they're the same. They're the same palette. In my opinion, the shadows are the same. Now, this look was super fun to do for me, obviously, like I already explained. And I did decide to add a little pop of glitter in the crease on both eyes. And for that, let me show you guys the palette I used. I used the Beauty Creations Splash of Glitter palette. It's stunning, and look at the inside, you guys. Look at that. All glitters, all glitters. I did not use a glitter base, glitter glue, none of that. I just popped it on. It's pressed glitters, and I freaking love this palette. Let me know if you guys want to see a tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see a tutorial, like review and swatches of this glitter palette, because I am obsessed with it. So that's what I used for the glitter, which I didn't show that step just because I was taking my time doing both of my eyes for the glitter. So I just didn't show that step. So I'm sorry for that. But other than that, I showed the whole eyeshadow portion, even the lower lash line in the tutorial. And like I said, this palette is $10 and this palette is $27. I personally recommend both of these palettes. If you want some color in your life, these palettes are amazing. If you don't want a palette that has too much color because you just don't think you're going to use a lot of color, and sometimes you just feel like you just want a little pop, I feel like these are the perfect palettes. Also for beginners, if you want to start off using color and playing with color, these are perfect beginner palettes as well. I recommend both of these palettes. I'm so happy I purchased both of them and I did this tutorial. Super colorful. Let me know what other colors you want me to use from this palette to do a tutorial, because I will 100% have it. up on the channel. I'm obsessed with how this looks, and I can't believe I'm seeing color, this much color on my eyes. It's been years. Anyways, enough of that. You can clearly tell that I'm a little shook, but I will leave you guys with a tutorial and the swatches for these palettes. Hey guys, just keep in mind that I did do these tutorials on the same day, but I did one first and then the other. So now that I'm editing them, I just try to keep them as in sync as I possibly can, as in showing you guys the same steps at the same time, using the same brushes, you know, and so on and so forth. I really tried. It's a little difficult once you put them into edit, and obviously sometimes you don't do the same steps at the same exact time, so you can obviously tell. But yeah, I tried my hardest for the most part. The more I do these tutorials like this, I figure out how to edit them better for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of it. And that's basically it for this tutorial. This is the final look. I decided to do glossy, nudie, plumpy lips. I felt like it just flowed perfectly with the eye look. Guys, I love, 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 love. I can't even stress enough how much I love this look. And yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself. Like, I feel like I was really rusty, but I'm gonna have so many colorful looks for you guys. I am. Yes, ma'am. Let me know if you guys like this look. Let me know if you guys would like to see these type of colorful looks. I'm kind of overdoing just neutral looks, but I mean, come on, my looks are really neutral. Let me know if you're excited for the last palette, which is the smoky smoky palette. I'm excited to do a smoky eye. I don't think I've ever done one on my channel, and I wanted to do like a full-on black blown out smoky eye, very sexy and sultry. So hopefully I can pull it off and I don't just look like a raccoon. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I know I never ask you guys, but a lot of people have told me that you guys are not getting my videos, and I was seeing the difference in the views, but I was just like, whatever, some people are just not interested in certain videos. But if you're not getting my video notifications, make sure you click on the little notification bell as well, so that you can be notified every time I upload a video, which is lately super consistent, and I'm trying to keep it that way, guys. I'm really trying. I'll let you guys go now. Bye.